Alrighty guys, so today I'm down at my local river. It's middle of autumn, so I thought I'd come on down and have a crack at the river for a few trout. So it's not a bad looking day, pretty clean and clear I should say. I'll just fish this part of the river up here by these trees here, and some of you guys might know exactly where this here is, and then we'll work my way right down here, just follow the river down. It's got a bit of colour, and the river had a bit of a fresh come through, so we'll give it a bit of a crack and hopefully we get one or two. Alrighty, let's go fishing, eh? Oh, didn't have the camera running. It's got a little tiddler. What's this? Looks like it'll be what is this one? What have we got here? Oh, little excuse me, little brownie. That little wee brownie. Come on fella. That light is not the greatest, so I'll see if I can get past it so you guys can have a look at that. Here we go. There's a little wee brownie. Get him across the side here. Here we go. Nice wee one. Yep. Nice little wee one. Oh, so we have a sea run. Oh, sea run brownie. Oh, pound, half pound. Off he goes. That was just changed over to a burnt pumpkin. No. Yeah, she's pretty quick up here, but I'll still give it a crack. Great wee soft edge here, leading round to a nice run in front of me here. Up against those willows, it's just the river runs down under those willows. They'll be sitting under there, they'll be sitting on the edge here as well if they're here. They'll be sitting right on the soft edge here with that, oh, I just saw a rise there. Just saw a rise in front of me as well. So, I'm going to be very careful how I approach this, because it is pretty clear on the edge there. And I wouldn't be surprised if one hits one here. I would not be surprised. Very fishy looking. See if I can see a dark smudge, and again that shadow of mine is cast right over the top of this shallow water too. Oh, looks good. Very good. Can't see that fish anymore. There definitely was a rise there. Get the start of this head of this pool here. Really want to get around a bit further. Don't rush, don't rush. Take your time. Let it drift down. There's a big stick coming down too. I don't know if that was one on it or not. Rightio. Great looking water here. Very nice. Get right out this time so I can get a bit of a drift in there. Can't see anything sitting on the edge here. That's just right in the centre of it all. Just drifting it down. I might need a heavier jiggy here, not too sure. That 1/16th, I can't feel it tapping on the bottom. Change it over to a 1/12. Change it to a 1/12. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Had to come. Oh, and he got off. Bugger. Bugger. And he broke me off too, did he? No. What happened there? Ah, dramas. Nice looking fish too. Never mind. Keep going, Aaron. Keep going. Great wee fish. There we go. That's a goodie. That's a goodie. That's a good one. That's a good fish. Gosh, that's a good fish. That's a good fish. That's a bloody good fish. I can feel it's bloody good fish. He's hit that hard. That's a good fish. Holy smoke. Holy smokes. I haven't seen him surface yet, but it's a strong fish. That's a good one. Holy smoke, this is a big fish. It's a big fish. Holy smoke, don't you break me. Don't you break me. No. No, keep out of there. Keep out of there. No. No. That's a good fish. Just keep away from here. Keep away from those trees. Holy smoke, that's a good one. I don't know what this is, but he's got a lot of weight behind him. A heck of a lot of weight. That's a good one. Holy smoke. Holy smoke, that's got a weight. Oh, holy smoke. Holy smokers. Oh man. Do I follow him down? I just don't want to break jeepers. That's a lot of weight there. You see his fin, it's a brown I think. Good size brownie. For sure. Right. Come here. Come on. Come and play the game. Oof. Heart's going. He's not really doing much. Oh, there we go. Here we go. He's just woken up. Gosh, it's only got 6 pound line on here, and he's got I can feel the weight. I can feel him pulling. Oh, mate. You can see that disturbance to the water up there. Oh. Good weight, good weight. Oh, it's a good size. It's a good size fish. Look at this thing. Don't get too panicky, don't get too panicky. Stay there. No. I can't see where he's hooked either. He just really hasn't surfaced. Oh, look at that. That is a good size fish. Do I get my net out, or do I wait till he gets a bit closer? Oh, I might be across here. There's a wee pool here, I can drag him into here hopefully. Oh guys, this is a good sized fish. I mean, I can feel the weight. He hasn't even surfaced. Oh yeah, no, it's good. It's a goodie. It's a goodie. It's a goodie. It's a goodie. Oh mate. Yeah. Look at that. It's like he's got his tail, have I? Got his tail? No. No, I've got him in the mouth. Got him in the mouth. Yeah, good size beauty. What a ripper. No, he doesn't like that, doesn't like that. Okay. Can't really see this. Oh, that's a brownie. A brownie. Oh, I foul hooked him, I think. I think I foul hooked him in the tummy. I have too. I don't know how the heck that happened because he hit it pretty hard. No wonder it felt like some weight. Come on buddy, we'll get you going. We'll get you free. It's not a nice... That's why I kept seeing his tail and he hasn't really sort of surfaced. So I wasn't too sure. That seems a weird strike to be able to hit him like that. I might have to get in the water here. Net, scoop him up. I think he's not going to like this. He ain't going to like this. And a bit difficult when his head's facing this other way. Come here, buddy. Oh yeah, I see where we got you. I see where we've got you. No. Woo. Come here. We'll let you free. Oh. Come here. And of course, this just makes it a bit harder when you've got a fish hooked in the belly there. I really don't know how that happened, but anyhow. Come here. Good size. Oh, come back here, buddy. There we go. Oh, it's a great fish. Come here. What a beautiful looking brownie. How did I get you like that, mate? How did I get you in the bells? Where's that bloody... Where is it gone? There we go. Hooked them on the anals. How the heck? You're not supposed to take the fish there. The bait there, I mean. That's a beautiful fish. What a beauty. What an absolute beauty. That is a bloody good fish. What a beautiful fish. Male fish. There we go. There we go. Off you go. Wowee.